Hey guys, welcome back to the Luxury Cove, and today I'm going to show you guys a secret method for you to make over $40 in a single day with only 5 minutes of work. And this is no joke, this is not clickbait. You're going to see as we go along in this video how easy it is to do this. And if you have only 5 minutes a day, this is something you can get into right now and start doing this method. And of course you can do this every 5 minutes of the day and make even much more money. So definitely stick around to the end of this video so you can find out exactly how to do this. Of course, it's really easy to do. It's not complicated at all. You can do this from whatever country you're living in. Some of you guys always ask me in the comment section, is this method accepted in India? Can I do this from Switzerland? Can I do this from Nigeria? It doesn't matter, guys. This particular method, you're gonna see that it doesn't really matter where you live. There are even offers inside of this method that are specific to some certain countries. So you can find offers for your own country that aren't even available for other countries. So that is not a problem at all with this method. And I hope you guys are gonna enjoy this because everyone can get into it and no one is exempted. You are gonna need a couple of things though. First of all, you gotta have that 5 minutes per day to get into this. Of course, you need to put in the time and the work. Just 5 minutes of work. If you wanna spend even more time, that's fine. But you need at least 5 minutes of work to start. You need a smartphone, or if you have a laptop or a computer of some sort, that's even better. And you're gonna need a PayPal account so you can collect your earnings at the end of the day. So if you got all that, that's awesome. Now I need you to do one more thing. I need you to smash the like button super duper hard, and let's get right into the video. So here's the website we're gonna use for this method today. This is called utest.com. I've showed you guys some similar websites like this before in the past, but this one takes it to a whole different level because now you get to do satisfying work that doesn't take up a lot of time. You only need to spend at least 5 minutes of work on this website to make about $10 to $40 per day. And if you have more than 5 minutes, of course you can do it over and over again and keep making even more money. And as you go along with this video, you're gonna find out how easy it is to do this. So on the homepage here, you can see how clean the whole thing looks. It looks really well designed. One thing I always do on this channel is that I always scrutinize the websites I talk about. So I don't just go about picking these random scammy websites and post it on my channel. I actually have to go and do research about the website so I can find out if it's gonna be helpful for you guys or not. And this website is absolutely crushing it. It has a really nice design and it has a lot of proof that people are actually using this because it has a whole community built around it, which is really, really awesome. So their slogan is get paid to shape the digital landscape. That alone lets you know what this whole website is about because on here, they pay people like you and me so we can go out and shape the digital landscape, or in other words, we can go out and help other businesses build their e-commerce businesses. So this website is made by a company called Applause. And like it says here, they are the #1 destination for freelance software testing and feedback. So what this website basically does is find people like you to go on here and help most of these companies who have software that they need to test, and they're gonna pay people to do that for them. Again, I've talked about this before. Many of these companies, they really want people to test and review their websites because they want to find people who are genuine users of their website to point out the problems with their software so they can make them better for their other customers. It just makes sense to do that because even if they have a team of engineers working for them, those people can't find all the problems because they're not unique users. They need unique people to come on here and give their honest opinions about their website. So that's basically how it works. And if you scroll down on the website here, you can see a bunch of offers and a bunch of tests that are currently ongoing on this website. Here you have a mobile food ordering app, and it's specifically for people living in Singapore. So like I said earlier on in this video, you're gonna see a lot of tests and a lot of offers in here that are specific to a lot of different countries. So if you live in Singapore, for instance, you can go ahead and apply to this test and you can get invited to the project and start testing immediately so you can get paid as soon as possible. Next, you have a company looking for testers with specific smart TVs. This is a project going on right now in India. It was actually just posted yesterday. There are a lot of offers being posted every day on this website, guys. It's a really popular website. Again, this is like the #1 website you want to use if you want to go out and test all these companies' websites and software. You're gonna get really far really quick because it's really popular and a lot of companies are always posting tests on here. So you won't even find it difficult to go ahead and find a test that you're willing to take on and that the company is willing to pay you for. You even get to test devices like this test right here, Device Testing 101. It's not yours, but it's yours to test. So you can test new devices that companies produce or manufacture, and even though you don't get to keep it, you get to use it and get paid for it. It's just really nice how all of this works, and they don't charge you any money to get started or buy a membership plan or nothing like that. It's completely free, no credit card required, and you can get started with this as soon as possible. And as I scroll down here on the website, you can see their community and people posting inside their community talking about how their experience is using this website. And you can see that it's completely legit, that they have a lot of people using this service. And most of these guys in here always update their profile. And if you want to find out how much people are earning on this website, this is the easiest way to do this. It's just to go down here and keep scrolling until you find someone posting about today's earnings, someone posting about their leveling up, like this guy here posting about his bronze leveling up. That is like the best place to be on this website, because they're gonna keep paying you a lot more if you get to the bronze level. So definitely work your way towards that. And it's really nice they have this little community built around them, because everyone gets to interact with each other and everyone gets to help each other get forward. If someone's stuck somewhere, you have people in here that are willing to help you. And if you're not getting any jobs or any tests, you can easily type something in here and everyone's gonna try to help you as much as they can. It's basically their own little community, so definitely go ahead and join, because of course there's people down here who are doing this for the first time just like you. So if you have a lot of questions, you can easily go ahead and type them in here and post it in the community feed, and someone is going to respond to you if you have any such questions. And in case you're wondering how easy it is to find and review these websites inside this website, here is someone who posted something about how many reports and how many tests he's done so far. So as you can see inside of here, he's done about 102 tests inside his account. And if you calculate that, he's made a lot of money from this, because on an average of $10 to $20 per test, he's made like hundreds and hundreds, if not thousands of dollars from all of those tests. So this is really, really nice, guys. You don't even have to spend so much time on this. Like I said before, if you have just 5 minutes per day, you can go ahead and get into this and start making money just like all these other guys are doing. And as you can also see down here in the community, all these guys posting these comments are from countries all over the world. There's people from Brazil, there's people from India, there's people from Nigeria. People from all over the world are inside this community, and no one is exempted. So your country, again, doesn't matter as long as you're willing to put in the work and get started. They're gonna accept you really, really fast, and you can get started with the community and start going out there and testing out these services from these companies. So now let's actually go ahead and find out how to join and how to get started with this website. If you scroll all the way up here where it says join you test, you get taken to this page where you can sign up and fill in your information so they can actually approve you. So just go ahead and fill in your first name, your last name, email address, and everything like that. It's not gonna take much of your time. As soon as you're done with this page, it goes ahead to ask you a bunch of other information, and then you can put in your payment details so they can actually pay you when your earnings are due. And as soon as that's done, you can easily go ahead and get started. There's really not much. They can send you these tests, or you can go ahead and apply to them on your own. And if you level up to the point where you're on the bronze level, for instance, you get sent these tests all the time. It's gonna go straight to your email, and at some point it's even gonna get too much for you, because all these companies want to work with the best and the top tier freelancers inside the website. So here we are at the projects board, so we can find out exactly the kind of projects you can expect to work on inside of this website. So there's a lot of different tests you can go on here and apply for. And a nice touch they did here is that you can actually filter this results to your country. So you can only see results that are accepted in your country. So some ongoing projects are like this one, in-home smart speaker testing. If you want to test out that product, you can go ahead and click on it and go ahead and apply. You also have a TV testing on-demand service. So if you want to test out that service, maybe if you're in a Netflix and stuff, you want to test out a similar service like that, you can go ahead and apply to that. There's just a bunch of different tests down here. Of course, all of this is paid, and there are prize payouts inside all of these tests. And as soon as you complete them, they will get paid and sent straight to your PayPal account. And although some of these tests are specific to some countries, as you can see here, there are some offers that are worldwide. So they are open to everyone all over the world. Doesn't matter where you live. Anyone anywhere can go ahead and sign up to this project and get invited. And you just want to go ahead and keep on sending proposals to all of these projects, because the more you send, the more your chances are of finding a project that's willing to invite you to get started with them. So go ahead and send as many as you can. There is no limit to how many you can send. You can send to as many as you want. And as soon as you get invited to a project, it's only going to take you a couple of minutes to go ahead and test their service so you can get paid. It's really, really that simple. There isn't much to this. I find it really interesting, and you guys should go ahead and try this. Again, the website is utest.com. So hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to hit the like button super duper hard so I can continue making more videos like these for you guys. I make videos 3 times a week, so if you don't want to miss out on the next one when it does drop, be sure to smash that subscribe button if you're new here. Also hit the bell notification icon so you can be the first to watch it when it does come out, and I will send you a notification so you can be the first to watch that. And I will catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.